Again, I'm going to skip the theory part, and this paper is for Jan'24 term quiz 1. ठीक है, and the questions जिसमें वो हो गई कुछ डिस्क्रिपेंसीज, एक बार डिस्क्रिप्शन वगैरह कोई देख लेना जो वीडियो देखेगा, मे बी विल ऐड दैट. ये पहला जो क्वेश्चन है, डज नॉट रिक्वायर. अगर डज नॉट रिक्वायर का फोल्डिंग आता है तो यू हैव टू आंसर बिग बैंग. अगर नॉट नहीं आता तो ये बाकी तीन ऑप्शन सही है. दिस इज जस्ट याद कर ले इस चीज को. दिस इज अगेन थ्योरी एंड आई फॉरगॉट. किसी को अगर आता है तो ये वाला बता दो.
एक्चुअली लेवल्स 0, लेवल 1, लेवल 2, लेवल 3. तो इसमें क्या है, सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग के बारे में, मतलब जिस लेवल तक करते हैं टेस्टिंग उसका है. तो अगर करेक्टनेस सॉफ्टवेयर की शो करनी है तो वो लेवल 1 में आता है. उससे हाइयर अगर उसमें ये शो करना है कि सॉफ्टवेयर में कोई एरर नहीं है तो लेवल 2 में. और लेवल 3 में मैं देख लेता हूँ.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं था ना.
मतलब वो एक्चुअल वर्ड्स हैं.
लेवल 3 में इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट बग्स एंड एरर्स यू गो फॉर लेवल 3. लेवल 4 में आई थिंक इंडस्ट्री प्रोडक्शन में जो
हाँ बोलो.
हाँ प्लीज गो ऑन.
नहीं, एज फार एज मैंने नोट्स देखा तब मुझे ये मिला कि लेवल 4 में आपका मेंटल डिसिप्लिन के बारे में बात था.
हाँ
लेवल 3 में रिड्यूस रिस्क उसके बारे में था. रिड्यूस रिस्क उसके बारे में था. लेवल 2 में सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं वर्क कर रहा है उसके बारे में था. एंड लेवल 1 में शो करेक्टनेस के लिए था. एंड 0 में टेस्टिंग एंड डिबगिंग का कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है.
ओके. ठीक है.
ठीक है. और लेवल 0 में लिख लो, देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन टेस्टिंग एंड डीबगिंग.
Unit testing basically done by end customer is done. Acceptance testing जो end customer करता है, D is one. Then done by developer during coding.
Unit testing.
Unit testing, correct. Then various components are put together and tested. Then this is again integration testing. A full system आता है तो system testing. Easy.
हो गया.
Market control flow graph है. Okay, you have to find out which code segment it is. ठीक है. तो initially starting में एक if condition है, if else. Then if कुछ होता है तो ठीक है, else something if out. And if condition pass होती है then there is something a loop and loop से exit हो गया out. Okay. तो इसमें दो loops हैं. if सही है, while सही है, then एक और if आगे which is not good I guess. Yeah, there's then second one में एक for है, पहले if आएगा then शायद loop है इधर 3 पे. So this is again wrong. The third is correct. Let's go with the fourth one first. इसमें भी पहले loop है then if else है, but they are hierarchical. So if x is equal to 0, so if x is greater than 0 then this path, and if else this path जिसमें एक loop है here, this thing. So this option is correct. ये ऐसे देख के ही समझ आ जाएगा. But must go inappropriate such that it will reach error in line number 1. So this is line number 1. इसी को इसको पास करवाने के लिए we have x should be less than y. तो हमारा कोड यहाँ पे आ गया. Then we should have another pass as x plus 1 less than 5 क्योंकि x यहाँ इंक्रीमेंट हो चुका है. And then y minus 1 should be less than 0. ये तीन कंडीशंस पास होनी चाहिए. So x is less than y, which is again जो चारों में है. Then x plus 1 less than 5. So yeah, वो subtract हो गया. So otherwise we can write it x less than 4. So yeah, सिर्फ last two options में वो सही है. And the third
y
last
minus 1 less than 0 कैसे आ रहा है? एक मिनट.
y minus 1 less than 0. ये देखो, y जो था ओरिजिनल उसमें से एक माइनस किया तो y minus 1. एंड ये वाला कंडीशन अगर रहेगा तो इट शुड बी लाइक ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. अब इसका नेगेशन अगर करोगे तो लेस देन 0 हो जाएगा, क्योंकि एल्स में जाना चाहिए वो.
राइट
सो
राइट
y
राइट.
minus 1. अब अगर उसको लिखेंगे so it can be y less than 1. So is this thing. Okay. Then consider a prime path. Identify the detour but not a side trip. So detour में ये prime path आता है, side trip में ये path नहीं आता. This again this just a single simple thing. और इसका एक बार किसी के पास अगर बेटर सॉल्यूशन आई फॉरगॉट तो वो बता दो.
बेटर में ये है कि इसका आप ग्राफ बनाइए.
Okay. 1
से 2 नहीं, हॉरिजॉन्टल बनाओ तो ज्यादा बेटर रहता है.
Okay, let's make it horizontal.
जैसा स्लाइड्स में अगर गिवन था, याद करो.
I completed that last term.
ओके. हाँ. ओके.
Yeah, 1 to 4, then 1 to, then 3.
नीचे बना दो आप.
Okay. 3, then go to 3, then 3 to 2 back, then 2 to 4. Okay, sorry. 2
4
to
है
4. 4 already there. Then 4 to 2, then 2 to 3, and 3 to 4. This is the path. ठीक है.
तो
This is
डिटूर
your
होना
prime
चाहिए.
path.
हाँ, तो आपका हो जाएगा 1 2
3
3
4.
4. या
Yeah, this is
Yes,
detour.
sir.
अगर साइड ट्रिप होता तब की
तब 1 2 3 फिर 2 फिर 4.
करेक्ट.
सब किसी को नहीं आया तो देख सकते हैं.
You can just open your mic and ask. This is a detour and this is a side trip. Okay, this question में टेस्ट केस कौन सा फेल होगा. Okay, let's just check new employees. e.toStrings. e.toStrings super का मेथड कॉल करेगा, which is this eid plus name. It will return out eid, then name, then department. These three things. अगर डिपार्टमेंट नहीं है then it will be unknown. Okay. Okay, let's go to first new employee create किया without anything. So employee is this and we are calling empty assert equals to. ठीक है. इक्वल्स मतलब इन दोनों का आउटपुट मैच होना चाहिए, कॉमा के लेफ्ट साइड कॉमा के राइट साइड. तो ब्लैंक है मतलब नो से डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर है. So it will eid will be -1 और ये अननोन आएगा. So -1 unknown, this test case passed. Now second thing, assert equal to e.toString में id भी है और ये भी है नेम भी. So id भी है नेम भी है. So eid और नेम में जाएंगे और toString कॉल होगा तो it will return out the same arguments 10 and ada. तो ये भी करेक्ट है. Sorry. No, just then third one, this is calling manager. Manager का अगर blank argument बनेगा so it will just create out the department unknown. Yeah. So manager में here eid -1, department unknown, name unknown. So this is again this I have a doubt. This I have a doubt क्योंकि employee का super call नहीं हुआ है. Anyone? क्योंकि here we haven't called the employee anywhere or any super class, कुछ भी कॉल नहीं हुआ है. So will it pass or not? तो टू स्ट्रिंग कॉल किया, EID आएगा, बट यहाँ कुछ है नहीं, EID इज नल, सो अगेन -1, ये रिटर्न करेगा अननोन, तो इसका आउटपुट आना चाहिए -1 अननोन एंड अननोन, क्योंकि डिपार्टमेंट भी अननोन ही है. ठीक है, दिस इज अगेन पास्ड. देन मैनेजर बनाया, यहाँ 12 गया, यहाँ पास्कल गया, यहाँ मैथ गया. ठीक है, ओके. सिंस वही कि ये तो पास है नहीं, ये सुपर का कंस्ट्रक्टर या कॉल नहीं हुआ है, सो whenever it returns the two string method, वो रिटर्न करेगा -1 unknown and then this math department, जो कि गलत है इधर. that's why this test case is failing. ठीक है, okay, let's go ahead. finite CSG, इसमें क्या even number of zeros, sorry, even odd 0 ones. okay, let's go there. suppose अगर initially we have started यहाँ है and directly go to final state, 4 is our final state ना, so it can accept a 1 normal. then अगर if we go 0 0 then 1, 0 0 then 1, then 0 1 then 0 0 1 then 0. what is the other possible combination? 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. so just notice one thing, इसमें odd number of ones है और even number of zeros. maybe let's check even number of zeros and odd number of ones. ठीक है,
ठीक है.
okay. now which of the following in nodes are represented in the integration testing? module test up test drivers. ये एक बार चेक कर लेना, theory question है डायरेक्ट, so कहीं तो स्लाइड्स में है ये.
हाँ, ये मतलब खुद से सोचना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, हाँ ये स्लाइड्स में कहीं तो
No,
था
but interfaces here is actually going to be the edges, right? So the modules, test drivers, and stubs are the nodes. ये
Yeah.
कोई लेक्चर में बताया था उन्होंने. वो एडजस्ट बन जाता है, वो इंटरफेस बिटवीन द मॉड्यूल्स या टेस्ट ड्राइवर और डेस्कटॉप के बीच में इंटरफेस.
करेक्ट, दीज आर थ्योरी क्वेश्चंस. ये कुछ ये फिक्स क्वेश्चन है, हमेशा आता है ये वाला. ऐसे कुछ आएगा तो या तो नोट्स
वो
आएगा
भी
या
वही स्लाइड से ही आते हैं. सेम स्लाइड में 2-3 क्विज में सेम क्वेश्चन आता है.
हाँ, सेम ही क्वेश्चन है.
नहीं, कौन सा लेक्चर, आई मीन कौन सा वीक?
ये तो स्लाइड ड्राइवर और स्टब, ये थर्ड वीक मोस्टली.
हाँ, probably week 3 का. Okay, thank you.
Just look at all the PYQs, you will get all the variations of these. Okay. Then just go to identify all the valid test paths. Let's just use the option directly. 1 2 3 5 6 and 1 test path ना. okay, so this is again not a valid path क्योंकि वो finite से final node bind नहीं हो रहा. then 1 2 3 5 plus 2 4 5 6 correct path. then 1 2 3 5 2 3 then 5, okay, then 6, okay, then 1, okay, then 2, then 3, then 5 and then 6. okay, now for last option 1 2 3 sorry 1 2 3 4 4 के लिए कोई ऑप्शन है नहीं डायरेक्ट जाने का, तो दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. okay, which of the following conditions are required to satisfy such a path can be considered such that a path can be considered as chain to chain in a DD path? DE path is basically a decision to decision path.
ये क्वेश्चन भी स्लाइड में है और हर क्विज में ये पूछा गया था। वो 5 पॉइंट्स है वो स्लाइड में। एवरी क्विज दे आस्क 1 or 2 of these.
Correct.
Okay,
So
thanks.
sometimes
DD
it's
वाला
greater
question.
than 2 if I think so. Out degree is greater than or equal to 2. In degree and out degree is equal to 1. Or the initial and the terminal vertices are distinct. These are the main 3 conditions.
अरे मैं एक चीज बताऊँ, जस्ट ज्वाइन किया, सॉरी। डीडी पाथ में मतलब डीडी फाइंड कैसे करते हैं बेसिकली?
वो तो डिसीजन पाथ है। So between 2 places where they take a decision, ये
और एक बार
if
तुम क्वेश्चन
statement
दिखा
हो
सकते हो
गया।
कैसा है मतलब ऊपर में?
हाँ?
इसका क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा, आई गेस नहीं है शायद।
डीडी अरे डीडी पूछा है ना कि डीडी पार्ट कौन सा है एनसीएफजी?
No.
Yeah, this question will be asked, but one of those 4 points. But yeah, DD path, we should know what it is. Between 2 if statements, you get a DD path, or between 2 decision-making steps. It could be a
तो
while
अगर
and a did else.
इट कैन बी इफ एल्स और इफ मे बी। अगर
If
मान लो
else won't be there, no? Because if else would be on both different branches.
नहीं हाँ ओके, सेम ब्रांच होना चाहिए बेसिकली, इट शुड बी।
It should be on the same thing that branches into 2. So
हाँ,
out
but the
degree
thing
is
is कि एक
greater
और
than or
चीज,
equal to 2.
हाँ बट द थिंग इज कि अगर लूप में आ रहा है वो चीज, फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से
लूप में आ रहा तो ये अलाउड।
लूप में वेन काउंट ना, कि अगर मान लो जैसे फॉर एल
Yeah.
स्टेटमेंट फॉर एग्जांपल वहीं पे उसी ब्रांच पे,
Then it satisfies all the interior vertices, both in degree and out degree is 1. Because it's in a loop, right? In degree is 1 because exit from the loop is 1 out. And in degree is also 1 because incoming is 1. So the third condition here gets satisfied.
ओके 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 समझ गया।
So one of those 3 or 4 conditions have to be satisfied.
बेसिकली फिर डीडी पेयर्स भी होते होंगे उसमें, तो फिर बेचारे डीडी पेयर्स।
पता नहीं।
यही तो, चलो
ओके
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। ये फ्लो चार्ट है ना, लास्ट में स्लाइड के समरी में देते हैं ना, वो फ्लो चार्ट से पूछा है। So edge pair coverage covers the edge coverage because edge pairs are 2 edges each. So that is the fourth option is correct. Then the first option
भी कवर करता है ये।
क्या?
ये एज कवरेज नोड कवरेज भी कर देता है।
हाँ
yeah, edge coverage consumes node coverage.
तो एज पेयर कवरेज फिर आल्सो फिर नोड कवरेज करेगा ना, कंज्यूम्स।
Yes. And then prime path coverage covers DU path coverage and DU pair coverage both.
Okay.
Node coverage subsumes edge coverage is wrong because edge coverage consumes or subsumes node coverage. And prime path and edge pair coverage need not be true actually. We need to find one example. Can you get one example for the second option?
Edge pair coverage subsume.
क्योंकि एज पेयर में तो आ सकता है प्राइम पाथ, बट हमेशा तो नहीं होगा ना ये चीज।
In class they actually gave an example for this. In one of the lectures they given an example for this.
कि एज पेयर सबज्यूम नहीं करता प्राइम का पाथ कवरेज को।
नहीं। This is something we have to look into.
Okay. And by the way, DU पेयर में बेसिकली अगर स्टॉप वहीं पे, अगर कहीं भी अपडेट हो रहा है यूज उसका, तो वहाँ पे पेयर अपडेट मतलब स्टॉप होगा ना टेक्निकली। तो
DU pair should be def clear.
But in the same paper you'll see the next one, next question. It is actually not the case. Just
तो क्वेश्चन गलत होगा फिर।
Yeah, we'll go to that question slowly. We'll go to that question.
Okay.
ओके ठीक है, तो फिर थ्योरी है इसमें तो क्वेश्चन कर सकता है। What is this?
What the minimum number of test cases required node coverage and edge coverage?
Yeah, you can go up. Yeah, you have to draw this graph out. Draw the graph out.
कैसे करना है इसको?
1 2 1 6 2. Just draw the graph out based on
1 2 then 1 6.
हाँ line डाल दो हाँ, arrows are important हाँ, 2 3
2 3 2 5
2 5 3 4 3 5.
Okay, let me just draw 3 थोड़ा सा दूर। 3 then 3 4,
3 5,
3 5,
4 3,
4 3.
4 3, then 5 6,
5
then
6,
6
and
7.
then 6 7. So it's a triangle.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now you want node coverage. So node coverage, you can go from, just try making the longest path without stopping. So 1 2 3 4, back to 3, then 5, then 6, and then 7.
Node
Now
coverage.
we have missed. So now we have missed. Which ones have we missed? We have missed 1 6 and 2 5. Two things you're missing. So you need two separate paths to get that done. So to get those edges, you need 3, because 2 5 and 1 6 you need separate paths. Apart from that, you covered all the nodes within a single path. So for node coverage, only 1. Edge coverage, you need 3.
3, correct.
Everyone got this?
Yeah, तो 3
Yeah,
चाहिए.
thanks.
For node
To
coverage, we
make
need
the
only 1
longest
and 3
path,
for. Okay, हाँ समझ गया. Like, so we should start with the longest path first. Right?
longest path, and then whatever, how many edges are left after covering the longest path, you add that 2. So you have 2 of them left. 2 plus longest path, 3. So 3 becomes edge. And since you
But ये
covered all the
possible हो
nodes,
सकता है ना कि अगर हम जैसे मान लो if we are tried with the longest path, but there's a possibility that कि जो दो चीज़ हमारी छोटी है, not in this case कि
yeah, I know
5
there may be 2 edges. Yeah, then you have to take that into account.
yeah,
Good question.
maybe एक ही maybe अलग किसी travel से में it can come in the
It can become 2 also. Yeah, true. Perfect. Next question.
Next question.
Cyclomatic.
Yes, ये हर बार 4 ही आता है. It's always 4. So yeah, but even then you write E minus P plus E minus N plus 2P.
P
Okay,
is 1
so
of that case for our whole course.
E is edge, N is node, P is
P is
again
total number of
component.
components or modules. So
component
if there
modules
are
are
2
answered.
branches, then it becomes 2, but all of these are connected. See, each of these things are connected to each other.
Can you give me example for P? Like P कैसे होगा?
नहीं
is
हमारे
like-
पूरे कोर्स में 1 है, वो कंसीडर अगर एक्सटर्नली मेंशन नहीं है तो.
So it's
Give-
always going to be 4. Whatever happens, it has to be 4.
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या?
That's how it, at least till now I've not encountered something other than a 4.
नहीं, but still go with the formula, easy है.
But yeah, go with the formula for safety. P is
but-
equal to 1. That is a must because she mentions it in the lecture.
But if अगर P by chance भी बढ़ रहा है, they will mention it in the question, right? अगर
हाँ, they'll mention it in the question. Okay, अगला question. हाँ, इस question यहाँ से so yeah,
तो लंबा बनेगा.
ये तो लंबा बनेगा पर करना है. These
हाँ,
are the
obviously.
questions that get repeated every single quiz.
So should we try solve करने का कुछ सभी?
Yeah, try.
Okay. What the fuck is my bad?
1 2 2 1 2 6.
No, don't ever start. Okay, what are you doing? Which coverage?
Start
are you
with
doing?
edge 1. Start with पहले सबको नाम कर लो.
Start with edge 1 if you're doing the
So you
big
L
group.
not.
Yeah, so try with 1 2. Just write 1 2 3 4 5 6. And then 6 factorial. Do of the exclamation mark. End हो गया. So उसके बाद L1. L1 is 1 2 1 6. 1 6 is close 1 6. Then 2 3 2 5. And then
3
3 4 and 3 5.
3 5. Then
Okay,
4
then 4 comes to 3 4 3. That's it. And then 5 6 close. Okay, इसमें what all closes? Nothing else closes, right? Okay, yeah, L2. L2 is 1 2 3 1 2 5. Then 2 3 4 2 3 5.
3 4 3
6.
or 2 5 2 5 6
is there, no? Yeah, then you have to cover all the parts. So 3 4 3 is there. Star. 3 4. Yeah, that's all. 3 4 is closing. 3 5 6 is there.
and
4 3 5. And
Yeah.
4 3 4
I
4
think
3
that's
5. Okay, that's it. 5 and 6 you can't get there.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Have you closed everything? Okay, L3. L3 is 1 2 3
2
4
3
1
5
2 3 5.
yeah.
Then
Then
2 say
2 3 4 3
2 3 4 3 doesn't happen. 2 3 4 3 doesn't come. 2 3 yeah, so
Why?
2 3 4 close 2 3 4 in the previous one. Close 2 3 4 in L2. L2 you have to close. Okay.
Yeah.
2
And
3
then
4
2 3 5 6.
But why are we closing 4 पे? Close तो यहाँ हो
Yeah,
रहा है
because 2, 3, 4, 3 comes off. 3 repeats and 3 is in the middle. So you have to close in the previous one, not in the next one.
नहीं वो समझो नहीं,
This is
एक second,
something
right?
which is very important. Note it down. If
What
the
is that?
repeat comes in the middle, do not write the next one.
2
2,
3 4 3
doesn't
ये
count.
आएगा, ठीक है? Now
हाँ.
3
No,
repeating
you don't
in
write it
middle.
there. You don't write it there because there is a repeat. You write an exclamation in L2, not in L3. L2 you write.
Yeah, you write an exclamation here, not
Yes,
in that.
because it's a repeat internal. External repeat, note it down. That's like 3, 4, 3 is an external repeat. That's allowed. Okay.
Okay.
So now 2, 3, 5, 6 close, and then next one 4. Oh, what happened?
Then-
Okay, 4, 3, 5, 6 close, and then next 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 close it off. L3 1, 2, 3, 4 close it.
1 2 3 4. Yeah.
Yeah, because again 3 gets repeated. 3 is an internal edge. So 1, 2, 3. Wait, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Yeah, close. That's all. We've covered everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now write a sum of each of these for L0, L1, L2, L4 at the bottom. 6. There is 6 here.
So
There
you have
is
One question, L3 में why are we closing 1 2 3 4?
because 1, 2, 3, 4. If you extend it, it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. 3 gets
Right.
at the end and 3 is in the middle. So internal repeat. If it's an internal
okay.
repeat, close it in n minus 1, not n.
Okay.
This is
So
the
otherwise,
same thing. I think yeah, you can note down 1, 2, 3, 4 exclamation mark. Make it orange color. Make it an orange color that
Oh.
indicates the same thing which we have done in 2, 3, 4 exclamation orange.
right.
So everyone remembers it. Good. And then yeah, ये हो गया. इसके बाद now you just write the sum of each of these 1, 2, 3. So L0 sum is 6. L1 sum. This is to get all the simple parts, which is another question which is there in this.
Acha, okay, so let me write this. So this is 1.
Okay, yeah, we'll write down all of this. 1, then
4.
Then previous one 4, 3, 5, 6 will be there for sure. 2, 3, 5, 6 will not be there because it's subsumed by 1. Then 1, 2, 5, 6 will be there. That won't be there because it's already subsumed by that. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be there. Okay.
Yeah.
L2 से 4, 3, 4 आ गया. जहां ये स्टार मार्क है ना वो
आएगा
डायरेक्टली 3, 4, 3 include करना है. 2, 5, 6 don't include because 1, 2, 5, 6 subsumes it. 2, 3, 4 again. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 subsumes it. 5, 6 is already subsumed by 4, 3, 5, 6. 1, 6 is not subsumed by anything, so write 1, 6. 1, 6 is there. 6, 1, 6 subsumes it, so you don't need to write anything. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 parts are there. Perfect. Next question का आंसर 7 हो गया. इसके बाद test. Yeah, test path के लिए 1, 6 has to be there. Just ensure that just do a trial and error for the next question for each of the things what they have given. That's how you do it. So यहाँ trial and error करना है. So 1, 6 सभी options में है, so you can leave it off. 1, 6 is compulsory. 1, 2, 5, 6 also is there in all the options, so it has to be there. So option 2 gets eliminated. 1, 2, 5. So yeah, then you try 1, 2, 3, 4, 3.
Test cases बनाने कैसे
Let's go sequentially. Let's go sequentially. That's easier.
Okay. So 1 and 6 must be there compulsory because if there is no 1, 6, it's a problem.
Then 3, 4,
1, 2, 5, 6 has to be there. 1, 2, 5, 6 is there even in our previous one, in our blue color. Then 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 is the first option. You can delete it off. Like yellow, the first option.
Yeah, got it.
So then the last one is you have to cover 4, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, and 3, 4, 3.
4, 3, 5,
And
6.
the option C doesn't cover 4, 3, 4, whereas option 4 covers 4, 3, 4 as well as 3, 4,
3 4 3.
Yeah, okay.
You can just underline 4, 3, 4 is not covered by option 3. Just underline it and draw an arrow to third option. That's all. Finish. Perfect. Next.
Okay. What many DU pairs for the
How many
variable?
DU pairs are there?
Variable कौन से variable के लिए? B.
B. 1.
I think 1, 2.
1, 4, 5. This is def. All the definitions. And the use is
2.
1, 3. 1. Sorry.
1, 3. Then 1, 2 also there is a use.
Yeah, on
And
2
then
also is there a
there
use.
is 7 there is a use.
Correct.
Okay.
And
Between there and then 4 also.
4 and 5, 4 also it's redefined, 5 also it's redefined.
Yes,
It will come in def, no?
it will come in def, no? Here.
Oh yeah, it comes under def. Yeah, it doesn't. Oh sorry. Thanks for reminding. Okay.
And
Okay.
DU
Now
pair,
DU pairs 1 3 is there for sure. Oh yeah, 1 1 3,
1 2.
1 1 2, 1 2, 1 7. 1 7. Just look into it. It's not def clear, but we have to include it.
yeah.
And
Why?
then next one 4. That's how it is. So the answers otherwise are not matching for some reason.
What
So
the
DU pairs doesn't need it to be def clear.
Then what requires
No,
def
actually,
clearance?
DU pair requires def. Path
uh,
require.
DU path.
You sure?
वो DU path के लिए चाहिए क्या? ओके
हाँ,
ये तो
DU
पता
path
नहीं
के
था,
लिए
ये
def
तो
clear
नया
होगी.
इन्फॉर्मेशन है.
Okay, देख लेते हैं.
चलो
Then
एक बार देख लो ना. DU pair need not be def clear. DU pair.
Okay.
okay,
Then
so these are 6 DU pairs, correct? Then
okay.
what we do?
Tell me guys one thing. ऊपर जाओ. Like we wrote 1 1 3. Like is there a shorter way to do this? कि जैसे जैसे लिखना
No,
है
no,
def
you
और use
have
को
to
match
go
करके.
individually. See, you have written def and use, right? You just
हाँ.
combine each of them. Do a one-on-one mapping, provided the previous, like you cannot do 5 and 1 3. 5 is greater than 1 3, no? So you can only do 1 1 3, 1 1 2, 1 2,
1 2 1
1
7.
5, 1 7. Then 4, again, if you're defining at 4, you cannot do 4 1 3. 4 1 3 is not allowed because 4 is
4
larger
and
than
7 can. 4
then
and 7
4
can
1
come.
2 again is not possible. 4 is
Yeah,
again
4
greater
2.
than 2, so you cannot again do that again. So 4 7 is allowed. 5 again, 5 1 3 not allowed. 5 1 2 not allowed. 5 2 not allowed. 5 7 is
5
allowed
7
because 5
is
is
allowed.
less than 4. So इसीलिए
But yeah,
6
check no.
options.
From 5 to 7 there should be a like edge. But yeah, it would be.
नहीं edge नहीं होना चाहिए, path होना चाहिए. That's why it's
हाँ
called
sorry.
def and use.
हाँ मतलब 5 to
Def
7 तो
DU
path होना चाहिए basically.
हाँ वो है ना, वो 5 में define हो गया और ये 7 में print का
But
statement
it's
है.
possible no कि there might not be a path from 5 to 7 in def and use case.
No, it has to be there. That's how you made the DU pair.
Okay. No, I'm saying कि
Oh yeah,
not
yeah.
that.
If there is no path,
Path.
then don't include it. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
What you mentioned is right. We should look into that. Very good.
Because blindly just pairing it up can sometimes
Yeah, you can mention it off there. Don't do a direct mapping. Mention
yeah.
that.
Do it, then check it once it's matching or not. Like after
Yeah.
doing 5 7 if it's there in the path or not. Travel
Okay.
sequence or not.
Next question.
Then DU path. So DU path are 4. Oh, why I'm getting 5?
DU path. एक minute. DU path. DU path has no. One of them may be subsumed. Just check. One of
DU
the
path,
one
yeah, to
one
basically write
one one
completely,
two.
no?
1 2 and 1 1 2 are getting subsumed. See.
Oh, okay,
You
okay,
can't
got it.
just
Yeah,
by the
yeah,
way,
yeah.
DU paths are wrong. DU paths don't have 1 comma 1 3. It is just 1 3 and 1 2.
Got it.
So
Remember.
DU paths has to end by
Actually,
like
can you just undo that and circle that this is a common error? Most people make this error. So just undo and just keep the error there so that we know that this is not the right way to do it. Just put an into mark on top of it. Yeah, and then you can write 1 3 1 2 4 7 5 7.
1 7 also, right?
हाँ.
No,
1
no, not
3.
1 7.
No, 1 7 नहीं होगा ना because
Okay,
def
update change हो रहा है.
path has to be def clear.
Clear. Okay. 1 3.
Just mention that also. DU path yeah, it's mentioned that DU path must be def clear. You can write below DU pair need not be def clear.
Okay.
Perfect.
So got it.
Whose idea was it to start this session?
Like me, Jalaj, and a few of my friends, we are doing it from diploma. Like in the middleware, we have dropped it out
Yeah,
because
I
of
used
some
to attend. There is this person named Anup.